Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome to Gap Trades. You already know who it is. It's your host with the most, Jermaine Hatcher. And today we're going to be talking about momentum trading and how to make 1,000 plus doing it. That's the topic. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, cool. Yes, I'm back. Peppermint mocha warmed up. I feel good. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Let's talk about momentum trading. All right. So, momentum trading is another low risk, high probable trade that traders take, and there are great trades to trade. Period, point blank, and I'm just gonna be real about it. Your risk is so little to gain a lot, and what it basically is where a trader goes with the momentum of the trade. And it probably sounds like that's not trading, but it actually is. It's an actual trading strategy. And so what I do is I look for a trading window of momentum trading for a period of 5 trading days. And my strategy is to go high to low, low to high. Pretty much, plain and simple. So once we hit a high of the day, I end up shorting the market, and I wait until we hit the low of the low of the day for my period of my holding period, right? So right now what you're looking at is a trade that I jumped into Friday when the market's almost open. It was around like 6:30, almost 7 o'clock in the morning. Let's be frank, it was actually 7:18 in the morning where we hit a high of 24,459 points. I said, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this. I'm going to end up holding this trade for a period of 2 days, 2 trading days. I'll get out of it the end of Monday's trading session, because Friday we trade, and then Saturday the markets is open, and then Sunday around 3 o'clock the markets open back up, and then Monday. So that gives me 2 trading days, Sunday and Monday. That's my target. And so I was in the trade for them 2 days, and we came here. We was riding it all the way down. Sunday when we opened up, it was crazy. It started going back up, and I was like, all right, well, if we get back to our high of 24,459, I'm just out of the trade, and we're going to continue to go up, because what happened was Friday's gap down window, if I believe, let me go back to it. Friday's gap down window didn't fill. So I was like, all right, if we go ahead and fill that, then if that happens, that's what's going on. Friday's gap window is going to fill, and pretty much where it's going to be at. But after Sunday, we was just trading. It was trading. It never broke this resistance line right here, right? And Monday we started to go down. You know, Europe started opening, Japan and everything. You know what I'm saying? They're getting ready to close. Well, they're open, should I say? And then we just continue to go down. We had a dip low. If you would have took the trade, if you would have got out here, you would have made a nice penny. But like I said, I hold it until the end of the trading day. And so we hit a low around 12:52. We had a reversal pattern here, and once we hit that, I got out the trade, and it was almost 1,000 points. It was 927. It was 927 points to be exact. And so you have 927 points times $5 per point. It equaled out to $4,635 for 2 days of trading. Now you can't beat that right there. You know what I'm saying? So this is why This is why momentum trades are good trades to have, a good trading strategy to have in your trading arsenal, especially swing trading in the futures market, because it lasts so long and you can make more money. So that's what momentum trading is. Hope this was helpful. What's going on right now, since we hit the low, I'm going long now. Reason why I'm going long before I end this video, and I'm going to tell you, is because we finished, once we hit that low, the low at, when you look at the Dow Jones chart, that was the mini size Dow chart what we was looking at. This is the Dow Jones chart what we're looking at right now. That low was 23,456 points. So neither today's trading gap down window filled or Friday's gap down window filled. My prediction is we have to, it's not even a prediction, it's a trading pattern that coincides with momentum trading. We have to fill these two windows. So we're already up almost 100 points for the trading since here. Since the market's opened back up for the futures market, we're already up 100 points, almost 100 points. We're at 88 points. Tomorrow, I look for tomorrow to be a gap up, and we continue to just go up because them two trading windows have to fill. So I'm in a long position in my swing trading account for this momentum trade to beat the two previous highs, to go past, the blow past 24,459 on the mini size Dow chart, and to be about another $5,000 to $6,000 trade. That's what I'm in it for. My stop loss is 200 points from 23,476. My stop loss is 23,276. So I'm risking 1,000, give or take 1,200 bucks to make 6,000. That's what I'm shooting for, and that's just momentum trading. As you can see, it's just getting pushed up higher. The market is going. We have a little bit of trading going on right now. Let's look at what's going on. Yeah, it's just a little bit. You know, this is overseas. I look for it to pick back up around like 12 tonight. But yeah, that's it. That's momentum trading, and that's how you trade momentum plays in the futures market. I'm gone. I will holla at you. Alright. And there you have it. That's the end of the video, man. That's how to trade momentum trades. And as you can see, it's possible to make $1,000 plus doing it. I hope you found this video very helpful. And if you did, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. You know, any one of those things, you know what I'm saying? You can even leave negative comments or whatever the case may be. I don't care, you know what I'm saying? Let's just go ahead and get this thing popping. You feel me? I'm here to provide value to you and help you on your trading journey. Alright, I'm gone. I'll holla at you mañana, and that's it. Alright, cool.